how to fix sign in to network error. So if you want to fix sign in to network error, then first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you will have SIM cards and mobile network option. You need to tap on your SIM cards. Once you tap on SIM cards, you will have preferred network type. You need to just tap on the network type. Like for example, you can go with your SIM, select the SIM that you're using, and then you'll have preferred network type. Go and select it. And after that, you need to choose 4G, 3G, or 2G, or 2, which is preferable. You can just simply go and select it. And you need to just go back and then enable the data roaming option. If you find data roaming option right here, you need to just go and enable that too. And then select your SIM and you'll have access point names. Tap on it and you need to just click on reset to default or just go with reset, which will be on the bottom. And after resetting, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to go back and here you may have an option of carrier. Once you find the carrier option, you need to just simply select the carrier and then you can choose the network type that best works for you, which might be 4G. After that, just go back and then restart your device and your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.